So another error is related to the thermistor. The thermistor is here. So if we remove these two connectors, we find that it's a thermistor. So I want to show you an error related to a thermistor. So if we put the machine on, then let's put it off, then on, and we have removed the thermistor. So you see it immediately goes to, it shows an error, meaning the thermistor has been removed. So it's a temperature related error code. In machines that have an LED display, it will show you a TE error code. So this error is related to TE. You can see the temperature lights are blinking, this one, and it can't do anything. You can't wash with a thermistor related problem. The machine won't proceed from there. I think it will help you somewhere. It's okay. Thank you for watching.